Hello, welcome to my woodwork room. This is a table that my brother-in-law made, okay? And my brother-in-law and I can make you one of these if you want to purchase it. I'll be giving instructions on how to make this on video, okay? Although I'll be showing you with hand tools. This was made by machine, I think. Anyway, I don't know, I'll ask my brother-in-law, but anyway. So you've got an option of making it with machine or hand tools, but I most likely will show you with machine, with hand tools. Otherwise I will show you with machine. It's sold separately without the chessboard or with the chessboard, depending upon what you want, at a negotiable price. And like I said, I can show you how to make the table, and in one of my videos shows you how to make the chessboard. This is what it looks like in other views as I would turn the table. Okay, so here we've got a very good table. It's very good, my brother-in-law, what he goes, I reckon. He doesn't think so, but I think he is. Okay, so that's the table for you, and so it's under, okay. So see you in class when I'll teach you how to make one. And like I said, you can purchase it via. This will be put on Gumtree. Hasn't been put on yet, but it'll be put on Gumtree. An address will be put underneath the video for Gumtree. Okay, but this has not been put on Gumtree yet, but it will be put sooner or later.